Is AI actually going to take your job? Is software engineering dead? I'm going to give you a simple, practical roadmap for exactly where you are right now, so you never get replaced. Let's get into it. If you just started college, listen to me. Stop stressing over memorizing coding languages. AI can write a Python script in seconds. You don't need to be a human dictionary anymore. You need to be the architect. Do this instead. Focus on the why. AI knows how to type out code, but you need to know why it works. Focus heavily on the basics, how data is stored, and how computers actually solve problems. Look at the big picture. Learn how different parts of a computer or the internet talk to each other. AI is amazing at generating chunks of code instantly, but it has no idea how a full application actually runs. Your job is to figure out how to connect the database, the server, and the user interface so they actually work together. Use AI as a tutor, not a cheat code. Ask AI to explain hard concepts to you like a teacher, but do not let it do your homework. If you don't build your brain now, you won't be able to lead the AI later. If you are graduating soon, the truth is that the old junior jobs like fixing tiny, boring bugs are changing fast. You need to step up and act like a mid-level engineer from day one. Follow this. Build apps that use AI. Don't just build another boring calculator app for your portfolio. Build something that plugs into an AI. Learn how to give AI good instructions so it does exactly what you want. Teach AI new tricks. AI is smart, but it doesn't know a company's private data. Learn how to make an AI safely read specific documents or databases. Companies are begging for people who can do this right now. Become the quality checker. AI writes code fast, which means it makes mistakes fast. If you become the person who knows how to spot those mistakes, test the code, and keep it secure, you will always have a job. If you are already working, you have a massive advantage that AI doesn't have. You know how your specific company actually works. AI doesn't know office culture, messy business rules, or what your customers actually want. Try this. Be the director, not the typist. Stop trying to outcode the AI. Let the AI type the code while you focus on the big picture and making sure the project actually solves a real business problem. Develop your technical judgment. When you use an AI coding assistant, it will give you 5 different ways to solve a problem. Your job is to use your real-world experience to look at those options and judge them based on things the AI doesn't care about, like readability, security, and long-term maintenance. You are the editor now. Do a bit of everything. Because AI makes coding faster, you can do more. If you usually just work on the back end, use AI to help you build the front end too. Become the person who can deliver a whole project from start to finish. So what is the bottom line for everyone? Whether you are a freshman on day 1 or a senior engineer, it is this. Stop competing with AI on who can type code the fastest. You will lose. Instead, focus entirely on the bigger picture. Become the person who knows what to build, how the different systems connect, and which AI tools to use to get it done. You are not losing your job to AI. You are just handing off the boring typing so you can become a true software architect. Shifting to that architect mindset takes work, but it is totally doable. And here's the thing. If you want to survive the AI shift, you need to use the right tool for the right job. Click right here to watch my breakdown of the ultimate AI super stack, where I show you exactly how to use Perplexity to research, Gemini to structure, and ChatGPT to write. Catch you over there.